Welcome to MyFamily by Baptist Health and Wolfson Children's Hospital, a pregnancy and parenting app to help you navigate all ages and stages of your family's health. The heart of the MyFamily app is the feed, which updates automatically to give you a personalized view of your pregnancy and your family's health. Visualize your baby's growth, answer questions to customize what you see, and check off helpful to-dos for yourself and your family. For a deeper look, tap Explore at the bottom of the screen. The app offers information specific to every member of your family, from surveys and milestones to trackers. The feeding tracker is great for new moms. It captures a complete record of every feeding and will even work while you explore the rest of the MyFamily app. For extra flexibility, you can set up the tracker to work with Alexa so you can log feedings even faster. The Resources tab gives you access to doctors, classes, support programs, and more, making it easy to do things like find a pediatrician for your child. For even more helpful information, take some time to browse the Learn library for in-depth articles on dozens of topics. MyFamily is available for both iPhone and Android, so head over to your App Store and search for MyFamily by Baptist Health to download it today.